Hey, if you have the same issue with your JBL Tune 450 and 460 that you cannot play your media through your headphones, so instead of this is playing media from your phone speaker, like in my case. As you can see, I'm connected. So to do this, you just have to simply take a look for the Bluetooth settings and click on the settings icon and be sure that this media audio switcher is turned on. If this doesn't help you, you will have to simply unpair your headphones from the phone. So click to disconnect and forget. Click to forget device. Now turn off the Bluetooth on your phone. Then locate the power button on your headphones. Click and hold this button and wait until your headphones turns off. Right now, please subscribe to my channel so you will help me to grow it. And next, click and hold this power button one more time and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Now we can release this button and you have to click to pair new device. Of course, turn on the Bluetooth back. Then click to pair new device. Take a look for available devices and select your JBL Tune 450 or 460 from the list and click to pair. And as you can see right now we are connected back, and when I'm gonna play the blinding lights from the weekend, right now you cannot hear it from the phone speaker. Right now it goes from the headphones. So tell me if it works for you, and please one more time subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.